Hi everybody, your team Nanotech has come with a new video related to human robotics. Before starting the video, love and thanks to all those who like and subscribe our previous video. Thanks you all again. Let's start our video. First topic is related to robot. What is a robot? Robot, it is a machine capable of carrying out a complex series of actions automatically, especially one programmable by a computer. In simple words or explanation, it means that a robot looks like us, like a human beings, and are capable of doing consecutive tasks and multiple tasks at a one time. It makes the impossible or a harder task easier and quicker. Also, now let us see the example of the robots. Example of robots are P1, Neo, Kismet, and many more. Let's move forward. I hope you must understand the concept of robots. What is robotics? Robotics, it is a branch of technology that deals with the design, construction, operation and application of robot. Robot can be used in any situation and for any purpose. Robotics is also used in STEAM. STEAM refers to science, technology, engineering and mathematics as a teaching aid. Now let us see the application of robotics. The application of robotics can be used in many sectors such as manufacturing, medical, construction, space, undersea, disabilities, rescue, defense, agriculture, and many more. In all such factors, robotic can lead in future generation, and it in many countries, developed countries like USA, Japan, it is already using in manufacturing, medical, and in some of the sectors for developing them the country move higher and higher. I hope you must understand the concept of robotics. Now let's move forward. It's time to now to discuss about the innovative ideas related to the topic that is human robotics. We team Nanotech has also worked related to robots. Robots. We have made a small size robot which is called 9DOF robot. DOF stands for Degree of Freedom. That means a robot which can walk, dance, carry lighter objects and many small activities that it can able to do, but it cannot able to do the task that a real robot can easily do. Now let us tell. Let I will tell some few words, why the word 9DOF stands for this robot. The 9DOF robot refers to the freedom of movement of a rigid body in three-dimensional space. The body is free to move in all directions, up, left, down, rigid, pitch, roll, and yaw. Pitch, roll, and yaw means the means in axis in a three-dimensional. Now let's move forward. This robot can be used for scientist professor to do a minor work and a minor work that they cannot do easily, and the all the minor work need more focus. So this robot can arrange the screw in a proper order. This robot can hold the object and can pass to the scientists while they are doing the experiment. This robot can be beneficial for the professor, engineers, and robot while they are doing a danger or hazardous experiment. Although this, although the scientists have to control them by a robot or program accordingly at a far distance. This can be used as a nurse in a hospitals. It can measure the temperature, uh, body temperature of patients through thermal scanner. He, he can it can also find the patient is suffering from corona or not through 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 his artificial technology. It can can pass over the tools to the surgeon while surgeon is doing surgery, and many more in place. We can use this robot for experiments. This is our robot, which is 9DOF. 9DOF. This robot is not a complete one. The complete one will be so again in the further videos. Now let's move forward. The most important topic for this video, that is robot versus machine. Why and what factors machine and robots are better, machine and robots are different, and why robots are better than the machine. I will tell you about that. That robot can do multiple tasks, and machine can only do a simple or a particular task only. But I will further divide in the factors that are brain, sensor, autonomous, and smartness. In brain, it has been having a high programmable technology. In robots, he can analyze the data and can do the work accordingly. But while in machine, it having a simple processor that is known as microcontroller, which can only do a particular, which is programmed to do a particular work. And the second factor, that is a sensor. In sensor, the robots are better than the machine. Now second factor come, that is automation. In automation, the robot can do all the work by its own 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 intelligence itself, through the help of artificial intelligence. In smartness factor, from all the above three factors, you must understand that robot might be the more far smart smart than the machine. As in above three sectors, you have seen that robot leads in above three sectors. It is having a high technology than the machine. That's why the robot can might be smarter than the machine. I hope from my reasons are capable for proving that machine is not good as a robot. Robot is better than the machine. If you agree, then comment below. Now, what will be the future of the robotics? According to you, please comment below about it also. Now, it time has come to like and subscribe to our channel. Also follow us from Instagram and Facebook also. Please like and subscribe to our channel at our request, and if you like our video, then only like. Okay. Now I am ending this video, and thanks to everyone.